What if I told you that hidden within this mountain of waste are golden opportunities? That some of the most overlooked plastic items are making savvy entrepreneurs a fortune? You're about to see plastic waste in a completely new way. Stick with us through all 7 items, because at the very end of this video, I'll reveal the single biggest mistake new recyclers make, and a bonus idea on how to acquire plastic raw materials for little to no cost. You don't want to miss that. Welcome to Foxy Pet Crushers, where we crush plastic and crush your doubts about turning waste into wealth. The global market for recycled plastics is projected to exceed $66.9 billion by 2027. This isn't just about cleaning up the planet, it's about a massive economic shift. We've done the research, analyzed the market trends, and identified the key areas where real money is being made. This isn't theory, this is happening right now. Let's get to our list. Number 7. Plastic bottle caps. Shocking, right? These are often too small for traditional sorting machines and end up in landfills. The problem is their size. The opportunity lies in their material. They are made from high-quality polypropylene and HDPE. By setting up dedicated collection systems, these can be shredded, melted, and molded into high-value designer items, custom tiles, or even new bottle caps. Groups like Precious Plastic have built a global community, proving this small-scale model is profitable. Number 6. Ghost fishing nets. This one is a double win for profit and planet. The shocking problem: over 640,000 tons of fishing gear are abandoned in our oceans each year, killing marine life. The fortune: these nets are made of high-quality nylon 6. Companies like Aquafil have pioneered a process to regenerate this nylon waste into a premium material called Eco-Nyle. It's used by over 1,000 brands, including Gucci and Adidas, to make luxury goods. You're turning a deadly pollutant into a premium fashion ingredient. By the way, if you're finding this valuable, do me a quick favor and tap the like button. It tells YouTube we're delivering good information and helps our channel reach more people like you. Now for number 5. Number 5. LDPE film, plastic bags and wrapping. We all know these are a menace. The problem is they are flimsy, low density, and clog machinery. The opportunity is in volume. When collected and processed in bulk, these films are melted and pressed to create incredibly durable and water-resistant composite lumber. Companies like Trex have built an empire on this, creating decking products that are more valuable and longer-lasting than traditional wood. Number 4. Styrofoam or expanded polystyrene, EPS. This is the one everyone thinks is impossible to recycle. The shocking problem? It's 95% air, making it expensive to transport. The fortune: the key is a machine called a densifier. It can reduce the volume of styrofoam by a ratio of 90:1. These dense, melted blocks are a valuable commodity, sold to manufacturers who turn them into things like picture frames, park benches, and home insulation. The business model is in the logistics and processing. Number 3. HDPE plastic, milk jugs, shampoo bottles. You know this from milk jugs and detergent bottles. The problem isn't recycling it, but that most people underestimate its value. The opportunity: HDPE is a workhorse plastic. It's incredibly durable and in high demand. Recycled HDPE is used to create long-lasting products like corrosion-resistant pipes, shipping pallets, and playground equipment. The market for recycled HDPE is stable and robust, making it a reliable business venture. Number 2. Multi-layer plastic, chip bags, food pouches. This includes chip bags and coffee pouches. The shocking problem: they are made of multiple layers of different materials, making them a nightmare for traditional recycling. The fortune: This is where cutting-edge technology comes in. A process called pyrolysis uses high heat in an oxygen-free environment to break these plastics back down into their original components. The result? Valuable oil that can be refined into new fuel and a carbon-rich solid called char. This is the high-tech frontier of recycling. Number 1. PET plastic, water and soda bottles. And at number 1, the most versatile and profitable of all, PET plastic. The bottles for water and soda. The shocking problem is simply its abundance. The fortune. Recycled PET, or rPET, is a global commodity with a huge market. It can be spun into polyester fiber to make clothes for major fashion brands. It can become fiber fill for winter coats. And with advanced cleaning, it can be turned back into brand new food-grade bottles, creating a truly circular economy. The demand for rPET often outstrips supply, making it a lucrative and scalable business. So, from a simple bottle cap to a high-tech chip bag, the story is the same. What society labels as waste is actually a resource waiting for the right entrepreneur. The plastic problem is real, but as we've shown, so are the profitable solutions. Okay, you watched to the end. So here's that bonus as promised. The single biggest mistake new recyclers make is focusing only on the technology and not on the collection. You can have the best shredder in the world, but without a consistent, cheap supply of plastic, your business is dead. So here's the bonus idea. Don't just buy waste. Partner with sources. Create contracts with local schools, hotels, or event centers to become their official recycling partner. Offer them a small fee or simply the free service of hauling it away. This guarantees you a steady stream of raw materials, often for free, which dramatically increases your profit margin. Which of these ideas shocked you the most? Do you have your own idea for collecting plastic? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We want to build a community of innovators right here. If you want more deep dives into green business ideas that are changing the world, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video from Foxy Pet Crushers. Share this video with one person you think needs to see it. Thanks for watching.